Now, the next document we prepare is a financial power of attorney. And this is a document where you name somebody to make financial decisions if you're unable. So if you're in a coma, the person that you've named first in line on your financial power of attorney can write checks on your checking account, make your house payments, pay your car loan, and do anything necessary to deal with your financial affairs. Now, the next document that we give you is called postmortem wishes. It's not a legal document. It's optional. Some people fill it out, some don't. But on the postmortem wishes document, this is where you can tell your family what you want to happen if you were to die. Where you want to be buried? Do you want to be cremated? Do you want certain scriptures read at your funeral? Do you want a funeral? Do you want certain music played? Do you want to name your pallbearers? You can even write your obituary and tell your family what newspaper you want them to put the obituary in. Then we prepare a last will and testament for each client, and that document is called a pour-over will because all it says is that if you die and there's any assets that remain in your name after death, and if your family has to do a probate, then the result of the probate is the assets that were in your name after death will be put into your trust. Now, if you have minor children, your last will and testament is where you designate who you want to raise those minor children if both of their parents are deceased. And also in the will, you designate who you want to manage the assets of your minor children if both parents are deceased.